Hi, I'm Zachary Fowler, and this is mail time. This stuff's been building up, and I got a little helper today. You ready? You ready to help? You ready to help? I got a little helper under here, hiding behind some of these boxes. We're gonna, oh, there we go. All right, let's get down to the nitty gritty and start opening stuff up for everybody. We got, mail's been building up for a while. Okay, we're gonna get everything out of the way. What? Oh, you wanna open the big one? Which one do you wanna open first? Okay, let's just start with... This one. Start with that one? Okay, let's open this one. You ready? What do you think's in here? This is... these are fire buckles for a project I'm doing. Like my own survival bracelet for Slingshot. A Slingshot survival bracelet, and these means I can finally build those and put those on the website for sale. It's a complete survival bracelet Slingshot. Now what? Those come from Wazoo. This one? Alright, we'll open up the prime package. What's in here? Rat traps! We had to get some of these because the old guy that owned the house before us, he had chickens in the barn, and there's rats out there, and I don't know what happened to my cat. They disappeared. What happened to our kitty? It's gone.
It fell out.
It fell out? Yeah, it disappeared. It stopped taking care of the rodent problem. And so, maybe I'll get out there with a Slingshot and take care of a couple of them as well. How about this one? You ready?
This one.
This one? This one. I don't even know what half of these are. Oh, this one's from GZK.
Yeah.
Watch your fingers. What are those? These are band ties. This is actually something I purchased. Most of these are stuff that people have just sent me. Band ties and Slingshot band and this stuff. I love GZK. They send some of the nicest things. Slingshot band material, some new stuff I wanted to try out, and a new Slingshot. A new Slingshot. If you up your purchase to one more item or something like that, it put me over the limit and I get free shipping. So look at that, it comes with a nice pouch. GZK stuff comes like so fast. Good stuff. Just thinking about adding them to my website and selling some of their Slingshot. We'll see. We'll see. What else do we got? This package?
Yeah.
This one? What's in here? What do you think's in here? Hopefully nothing embarrassing. Oh, balloons! I'm heading out to a show. So these are for my speed shooting at the show for people showing off. I set up some balloons, tell my story about speed shooting and how I'm practicing beat the Guinness World Records and how I'll set up and put faces on them. Right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we got those. We'll save the best for last. This one's pretty special. This is for a video I'm working on. I can't wait. A whole series of videos. What's in this one? Let's see, what's in here? Oh, another one from Wazoo for the website. This one is new survival necklaces like I'm always showing off in the videos. Always lighting fires with. These things are awesome. I love these things. You can get them on my website, fowlersmakerymischief.com. And I got more of the survival bracelets in Fowler orange of all the different sizes, so I'm back in stock. And I think I got one more thing that was in here.
Daddy.
These things. What? These are the little Tinder bundles that come with the bracelets. And the ones in mine, which is almost a year old, finally fell out of there. So I had to order some new ones. I used one and one fell out. Yeah, bracelet, just like Dad's.
Yeah.
Isn't that nice? Alright, so we can put those on the website and you guys can order them. Alright, we got two more small packages. What's this one? That's in here. This is heavy.
Yeah.
Oh, more baseball cards of the new version.
Daddy.
With a different style of back and a different message on the back. So, and I got some more on order that are going to be of all the different, the most unique YouTube videos. So when people order stuff from the website, they won't just be getting this original baseball card that I've been handing out with my story of my 87 days and the 10 items and things I brought. You'll be getting a baseball card which has a story about like have like for instance the reed boat, and it'll have, you know, like how long it took me to build it, how many reeds and things like that, a little description. I'll be randomly putting different ones like that. Alright, we got one more down here before the main package. What's in this one? What's in this one? What is it? Oh, before I go, well, yeah, I'll open this. This is from Wazoo Survival Supply. They have another one of those people that have contacted me and said, hey, we can send you some stuff if you want to do some videos and we can work together. And I guess they decided, they said something about this, I don't know, a gas mask bag. I guess it's just a satchel that's pretty popular right now, and they thought I would like, which I always use another satchel. Come here, what's inside of here? You want to take the stuff out and show everybody? You want to take the stuff out? A shamag! Since I've still been using my shamag from Patagonia, which has like all these burn holes in it. Oh, this thing is cool. I saw this. What's in there? I saw this and I was like, I wanted this. I made one in Patagonia. And this is a collapsible blower. It's a fire blower. And I thought it was the cheesiest thing, and then I carved one in Patagonia for blowing on the fire. And you can blow in the big end. It's just like a car antenna, basically. It collapses down. And I loved my bamboo fire blower, which I still have. But it's dried out, and this thing's cool. Nice little thing to go in your camping pack. I really like this. I've always wanted to try it ever since I seen some other YouTuber with it. What's in here? Oh, I saw some of this on their website. Some small paracord. Like, I don't know what it was. 150 paracord or something they call it. So, what else we got? Sparrow's into it. You're all about it, huh? Pulling everything out. We got Strike Light. Easy, handy, waterproof fire striker. Oh, let's see what this looks like. This is kind of neat sounding. What do you think it? Comes with like a little Pez box, and it's cool. It's got some little tinder bundle things that you can take out, and a fire striker. Oh, very simple, just like the top of a lighter without having the lighter. And you can strike up your little, let's see how quickly they light. Oop. I guess you gotta fluff it up a little. Whoa, that sparks up quick. Very nice. Oh, I just let my dead cat microphone there, Rode microphone on fire. Yikes.
Dad, look.
Yeah, I see, you're unpacking it all. Oh, let's pack it all back up.
Dad, look, paper.
Yeah, there's paper. Paper.
Paper. Oh, guys, have you ever seen paper? Look at it. Smell it.
Paper.
We check it out.
Let's we check it out.
Yeah.
Okay, you check it out. She loves little papers and little credit cards and little, like anything like that. She's a little hoarder, aren't you? Wow, there's several of those in there.
Dad,
I really like their website when they contact me. I'll link it below. I mean, they, and oh, that was one thing I really wanted, a credit card for my,
we need phone is, Dad.
yeah.
We need to choose, okay?
We need Fernie to shoot it?
No,
Chew it?
no.
That's definitely not for Fern to chew. They're fire starters.
We need phone is a tree.
Okay. And I picked this out. This thing is awesome. This is going to be part of my everyday carry right now. I'm going to slip it right into the wallet. Yeah. It's a credit card. It's a credit card, Diamond Stone. Very cool. I've wanted one of these for a while now. Yes, yes.
We need
Popping that, that's becoming a permanent part of my everyday carry.
Dad.
Right there.
We need
What else we got? I love how their stuff comes. Look at that label. That is sharp. That is sharp. Their stuff comes in the most beautiful packaging. It's all set. Everything I saw on their website was top notch. And this is like a, I don't know, what does it say? Top notch, yeah. Top notch. Oh, these are like little folding razor blade knives.
Dad, I need you.
Easy to throw in the bottom of your backpack. Maybe I'd throw like a little ranger band around it or something like that, or band it to something else. Comes with 2. They said they threw a bunch of extra goodies in for me. I'll keep those there so I don't lose them in the trash cleanup. What else we got here? Can opener. Can opener. Oh.
Good.
Well, apparently I needed. Wow. All right, can opener / probably good ferro rod striker right there. A whole bunch of those. Of course, I have a Swiss Army knife that I carry with me all the time, so I don't really need a can opener. But I will be throwing them in the bottom of all my packs. And a very nice, what do they call these things? Fernal lens or fernal lens. A nice little fire starter piece. Another thing that I will be popping right into my wallet as part of my everyday carry. I actually have one in there right now, a cheaper version it looks like. So I'm gonna take that one out because it's all scratched up. And it didn't have a nice sleeve like these ones came from them. With like 4 of them. Great stuffing stockers, right? Or stocking stuffers. So now, what's up, hun? You wanna open something?
Yeah.
Is it your turn to open something? Look, it's a magnifying glass. Ooh, you're gonna like this. I think Sparrow just inherited one. Hold it up in your hand, then look through it. Ooh, now here, hold it like this. Whoa.
Look, I can. Look, that I can.
Yeah, look at my eyeball. Look at my eyeball. Woo. It's big. Yeah. All right, what else we got in here? They sent me all kinds of, a nice, I told them I wanted to do some stitching of some stuff. So they sent me a nice sewing palm. I've always wanted a good one. I'm always struggling to sew some bigger stuff. And the whole point of this is, hold your needle right there and you can push it through your work, like so. And what else? Oh, and they sent me a nice water bottle that fits right in here. Nice little pack with all the stuff. You're all done? But we're gonna open the last big thing. You wanna open this?
Yeah.
All right, let's open this. This is something I've been waiting for about what?
You've got a finger.
Yeah, your finger got cut?
Ouch.
Oh yeah, you got your Band-Aid? You're all set? All right. This is something I've been waiting for a while, and it hasn't been coming. It's been out of stock because everybody orders so many at Christmas. And yeah, guns, and I didn't think to order it till after Christmas. I got myself a Daisy Red Ryder BB gun. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be doing a YouTube series, Slingshot versus Daisy Red Ryder BB gun, Slingshot versus a Shepherd sling. You buy them all the presents in the world and they want to go and play with the wrapping inside the box. Hey, as long as she's happy. So if you can think of any other things that I could do as a Slingshot versus video, leave it in the comments below. Should we open it up and look at it?
Yeah. Oh, don't cut myself.
Don't cut myself, I won't.
Don't cut myself.
Yeah.
Let's shoot
Let's shoot
it.
it. What does it come with? Oh, wow. It's pretty, huh? All right, watch out. I'm gonna cut this.
Uh-oh, it's inside.
Wait. It doesn't come with any BBs? It comes with no BBs whatsoever. How can we shoot it? Oh yeah. What do you want with the paperwork?
I need chinless.
You need a list?
Yeah.
Alright, here.
Dad, I need a paperwork.
You need all the paperwork?
Yeah.
Okay. Why do you need the paperwork?
Good.
You're gonna be my clerk someday and help me?
Yeah.
And help Dad organize all of his paperwork?
We need it. Oh,
Good thing I ordered the BBs like a month ago.
it's the top.
We did. We put the ammo in there, right there. Look at you reading the instructions. Aren't you so cute?
Just press the button, then put it in there.
Oh yeah? Like this? Then what?
This.
Then we put, we already put the ammo in. Now it's cocked. And we put the safety on.
This.
Oh, now we aim it?
Yeah.
All right, where are we gonna shoot?
And do.
Into the cardboard? Into the camera?
Yeah.
No, how about the cardboard pile? All right.
You did it.
I did it.
Right there. Okay?
Right there. Okay. Say goodbye to everybody.
Bye, buddies.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. See you next time.